Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 17th, 1899. The Power and Office of Lady Obedience. This morning, after receiving communion, I was saying to my lovable Jesus, how is it that this virtue of obedience is so impertinent and sometimes so strong as to reach the point of becoming capricious? And he,
Do you know why this noble lady obedience is as you say? Because she gives death to all vices, and naturally, one who has to inflict death upon someone else must be strong and courageous. And if he does not succeed with this, he will use impertinences and caprices. If this is necessary in order to kill the body, which is so fragile, much more so in order to give death to vices and to one's own passions. In fact, it is so hard that sometimes, while they seem to be dead, they begin to live again. And so this diligent lady is always in motion and spying continuously. If she sees that the soul raises the slightest difficulty at what is commanded of her, fearing that some vice may begin to live again in her heart, she wages such a war against her and gives her no peace until the soul prostrates herself at her feet and does in mute silence whatever she wants. This is why she is so impertinent and almost capricious, as you say. Ah, yes, there is no true peace without obedience. And if it seems that one may enjoy peace, it is a false peace, because it gets along with one's own passions, but never with virtues. And one ends up in ruin, because by moving away from obedience, one moves away from me, who was the king of this noble virtue. Moreover, obedience kills one's own will and pours the divine in torrents. So much so that one can say that the obedient soul no longer lives of her will, but of the divine. Can there ever be a life more beautiful, more holy, than to live of the will of God Himself? With the other virtues, even the most sublime, there can be love of self, but with obedience, never.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.